In the post result around 10%. Advances, bank has grown 12% in advances and reached to 4.92 lakh crore. The RAM share was 62%, slightly improved from the last quarter, and the RAM is growing. RAM is retail, agri and MSME is growing 12%. Our total credit is growing 12%. Under RAM, retail has grown by 14%, and under retail, housing loan has grown by 13%, personal loan 49%, auto loan 36%. This is retail. Now agri has grown by 16%, with crop loan around 17%. The SSG loan has grown by 41%. Our MSME book grew by 5%. Of course, the micro credit has grown by 13%. These are the business numbers. As far as our profitability is concerned, our operating profit has grown by 19% and reached to 4,303 crores. And the net profit has grown by 62% and reached 1,988 crores. The growth of the operating or the net profit is backed by the growth in net interest income, which has grown by 23%. In addition to NII growth of 23%, other income too has grown by 9%, and other income, fee-based income has grown by 11%. Under fee-based, processing fees has grown 17%, cross-sale by 45%, PSLC income has grown by 52%, and bad debt recovery has grown by 6%. So you have seen the quarter after quarter profitability, operating profit, net profit, NII, other incomes all are growing. As far as asset quality is concerned, our net NPA, gross NPA has come down from 5.47% last quarter to 4.97%, 50 bps reduction. Likewise, our net NPA has come down from 0.7% to 0.6%, and the PCR provision coverage ratio of the bank has improved from 95.10 to 95.64. So asset quality, the net NPA is now 0.6%, and the capital adequacy ratio is 15.53%, is against the requirement of 11.5%, slightly dip in capital adequacy ratio because of increase in the business, resulting increase in the risk-weighted asset. As far as our digital transactions are concerned, our digital transactions are 86%. We continue to maintain our recovery more than the slippage this quarter as well. So as against the slippage of 1,976 crore, the recovery is 2,265. As a result, our gross and net is all improving. The SMA is more than 5 crore, is decreased from 0.7% to 0.64%. Collection efficiencies continue to remain robust. As a result, asset quality is robust. As far as restructured book is concerned, now we started from 18,000 crore of restructured book. Today is 9,980 crore. We have done number of things in digitization. I request my colleague Bajaj to share what we have done in digitization.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, friends from media. As MD sir has told, that bank has taken various initiatives under digital transformation. Completed 63 journeys. Out of that, 48 journeys are the retail lending platform. As far as the business is concerned, digital business, last year on the 30th September 22, we could do 376 crore of business on the digital platform, whereas this year we have crossed 29,000 crore, out of which retail asset is 2,500, agri close to 18,000 journeys. So we will touch 60 journeys on the digital lending platform. As far as the quarter-on-quarter YoY business, you can see that it has gone up from 147 when we started our journey in the month of April. First quarter it was 147, and this quarter, the September 23 quarter, we have done close to 20,000 crore business. And even this saving bank account opening also for this quarter, it has touched 80% through the tab banking, which is again a digital mode of opening the accounts. As far as the YoY 376, it has gone to 29,116. Bank has already onboarded the digital lending platform as well as the omni-channel. We told last quarter also that already bank has started the omni-channel platform, and presently we are doing testing under the closed user group, all the apps, internet banking, mobile banking app, so that once we touch the account, we are proposing in the next financial to go to the market along with a new omni-channel app. Till that time, we will be doing the ground testing. On the digital lending platform, we have almost now completed 50 journeys, another 12 journeys will be done during this quarter. As far as the digital users are concerned, mobile users, we have grown by 47%, transactions have grown by 17%, and the transaction have also grown up from 108 lakh to 998 lakhs during this last quarter. Thank you. These are the various initiatives bank have taken on the digital platform.
Besides this, we have opened around 3 regional rural banks: Tamil Nadu Grama Bank, Saptagiri Gramina Bank, and Pudvai Bhartiyar Gramin Bank. Put together, all 3 banks, the business has grown by 21%. Their operating profit has grown by 16%, and their net profit has grown by 36%. Collectively, we are having 938 branches, and the net NPA of these 3 RRBs is 0. Our joint venture, Universal Sofa Insurance Company, has made a net profit of 123 crore in the first half, as against 85 crore the previous year. Our other subsidiary, Bank Merchant Banking, has made a profit of 5.46 crore in H2 FY2024, as against 1.93 crore in the last year. This is operating profit, and net profit was 3.87 crore, is against 1.16 crore. So, Indian Bank, all RRBs, joint ventures, subsidiaries, all are making profit, and our performance is improving quarter-on-quarter basis. Now we are open for questions and answers.
Would request our media friends.
So you see, our businesses is continuously growing, and our business model which we are adopting is giving us a consistent good results. Model means we are in a CASA side, we are maintaining 41% CASA. At the same time, we are maintaining the REMS, retail, agri and MSME 61-62%, because when the risk is spread, your return is better. So continuously we are moving in a planned way, containing the cost of deposit and getting good returns. This spread, so that is why our numbers are increasing, and there is a good growth we have seen in a net profit in the current quarter, and which is the net profit has grown by 62%.
Sir, is it possible to reduce the personal loan interest amount, sir?
The personal loan interest and everything, interest rates is being decided by the ALCO, keeping in view the risk involved, cost of deposit, and the business which bank wants to do. But we are not charging you a higher amount.
Hello, sir.
But you see, our pre-approved personal loans are available digitally. So based on the track record, we through SMS only you can avail the personal loan from us.
Sir, I am Yogesh Kudas from Times of India. My first question is, what is your exposure in personal loan? And you must be aware that RBI has flagged private banks about growing unsecured personal loans. So what is your exposure, and are you looking at, you're also tightening the screws around the personal loans? That is the first question. What is the average individual loan amount? That is one thing. The second question is, your subsidiary your subsidiary Bank Housing has, RBI has withdrawn its certificate of registration, which was declared in September. You hold about 51% stakes in that. What are you planning to, what is the way forward?
Yeah, our personal loan is not that high. We are having a portfolio of around 8,660. Yes. Our personal loan is not that high. Our portfolio is 8,800 crores roughly at present. And we are planning to grow it in a manner that delinquencies and all will be not that much of them.
So, when you see our total book is around a 5 lakh crore, right? And the exposure is, Imranji has told 8,606, 1.7%, 1.7%. It's not a big amount. So, and we are keeping the provisions on standard asset basis and all to keep our balance sheet strengthened.
About Bank Housing Limited. In your subsidiaries, in Bank Housing.
In Bank Housing, RBI has not withdrawn the license. So
In Bank Housing actually was not working from last more than 2 decades. Right? And now we too are doing our housing loans at all. And company is having the capital less than the thresholds. So therefore the Reserve Bank has decided that to cancel the license. And actually we don't have much business there. But should not have business even.
Any plans for renewal, or you're planning to shut it down, sir, for once or
No, this the license has been cancelled, so it has been, we will bind it off.
Okay. Sir, what is the quantum of fresh slippages for this quarter, September 2023?
Yeah, the fresh slippage is around 1,976 crore, just a minute. Yeah.
Any particular account?
So it's 1,976 crores. In retail, it is around 235 crores. So retail means housing, education, and vehicle. Not a big account. Agriculture is around 720 crores. Here the agriculture majority is a KCC loan and a SSG loan. In MSME, it is around 451 crores, so micro, small, right? And in a corporate, 570 crores. So 2 or 3 corporates are there. One is corporate from Odisha, one is from the Chennai. So they are dealing in the power or APC.
Please name them.
Name, no, you will get the name.
Sir, you recently installed ATMs at the airport, any airport. You have plans to install another airport?
Outlook on the next 2 quarters regarding the recovery, is it on track, and what are the plans on that?
So at the beginning of the year, we said that we grow in credit with 10 to 12%. So we are at 12%. Likewise, in deposit, we have said that we grow between 8 to 10%. We are at 9%. At the beginning, also we said that we would like to maintain our RAM to corporate 60 to 40, 61, 39, 62, 38 in this range. Because this is the model which gives us a good result. So you see from last so many quarters, it is between 61 to 62%, and again 38%, 38% corporate. So we are growing in a very prudent way, in a very planned way.
Sir, the East Coast area is now developing very fastly, sir. In the East Coast area, see, so many new shopping complex, new business centers are coming up there. Supermarkets are coming up there. But the Indian Bank is there only one branch, Neelangari only. Why not you concentrate in ECR area to open more branches?
We are open for opening branches. We decided that we will open 100 branches. So the area which you suggested will examine, and if it be viable, we will definitely open one.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Sir,
Credit in the country is growing. The auto sales in the country is growing, right? So all these will factor in the credit growth, and that is why you see our housing loan growth, or auto loan growth, even our personal loan growth, even the crop loan or the gold loan growth. It is all happening because the economic activities of the country is growing, GST collection is growing, PMI is an expansionary mode. So virtually all sectors of the economy are growing, and we are a bank, we get a business from all the sectors.
One last question, sir. On the digital side, I think, are there any new journeys you're adding, or any new focus areas adding to the existing ones?
So as far as the new charge is concerned, we keep reviewing the market. So based upon, if at all we are charging as we do, otherwise presently, recent past we have not done, but if at all something is there, we normally put on the website and then only we start.
I'm talking about digital journeys.
Yes. Yeah, digital journeys already we have completed 48. This quarter we are planning for another 12 journeys.
So we keep on coming out with the new journeys for the customer convenience, so the customer can avail the facilities 24/7. And all our journeys are basically three objectives. It is available on mobile banking, it is available on internet banking, even it is available on the branches through assisted mode. Suppose the customer who do not understand much about digital or not comfortable in mobile or internet, they can go to the branch and assisted journey can happen. So with these three objectives we are working.
Sir, is there any requirement for the bank to raise fresh capital, considering the fact that you may look for double-digit growth?
So our shareholders have approved the raising of capital up to 4,000 crores. Our board too has approved. Even our internal committee has approved to raise capital up to 4,000 crores. So we can go to the market at any time based on the favorable market conditions to raise the capital up to 4,000 crores.
So just clarity on your fresh pages. You have 1976 crore pages in September 2023 quarter. Is it higher when compared on a quarter-on-quarter basis when compared with June 2023?
Yeah, it is 1,753 in the immediate previous quarter and 1,976 in the quarter. Slightly higher, but the recovery is higher. So as against 2,000 crore recovery, we are 2,200 plus recovery. So our trend is always to have more recovery than the slippage.
I think you are maintaining your this trend for the past at least 2 years of quarters, right?
Yeah. Last year as a whole, if you see, our slippage was 6,642 and our recovery was 8,500. Last year too.
You recently opened 38 branches this quarter. Is it on track or
It is on track, sir. We are opening the branches wherever we need. There is a need for opening of branches. We have a good business proposition and the demand of that particular area.
Sir, how about your Sri Lanka branches?
All our overseas branches are doing good, making money. And also the asset quality is well within the control.
Thank you all for asking questions and thank you.